Welcome, in front of me is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to put Windows on full screen on your laptop. So to do that, you can simply double tap the top bar of the window like this and then demaximize it the same way. Or you can use this icon over here and then use it again to demaximize the window. And the last way to do that is to just grab the top bar of your window and drag it over to the top of the screen and then release it. And this way you will also put an application on a full screen. And then to demaximize it this way, you simply have to grab it and drag it down. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.